Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to zoom in viewport. As example, we will create a rectangle object and then circle inside the rectangle. Now you can go to layer tab and in here we have the default viewport. You can create new viewport by using view command. Press enter and I will create again at this point. Now if you want to zoom this viewport, you can double click the viewport and will be automatically set into model view. You can use scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out. If you done, you can click outside. Okay, I will click again, double click inside the viewport, and then you can use scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out. After it, double click outside to close. Okay, that's it for a basic Draftsight tutorial how to zoom in viewport. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.